See, as far as the structure that was erected by one party from Delhi, that structure is ordered to be demolished in the sense that that very same person has undertaken that he will demolish the illegal construction by 13th of December. That is as far as that structure is concerned. In the adjoining plot, there is a structure which belongs to the Sarpanch, and as far as that structure is concerned, the court had ordered sealing of that structure. Now the court has further taken a suo motu cognizance of all structures in this area called as Girikarwada, where the Sarpanch resides. And Sarpanch has reported to the court saying that there are almost around 179 structures where there are activities of commercial nature which are going on. Now, insofar as those structures are concerned, the High Court has directed that the authorities should take action before the next date of hearing. That is as far as those structures are concerned. So High Court is going to monitor all these activities. The CRZ authority, the Panchayat, the Pollution Control Board will verify the legality of these structures, whether all permissions are granted, whether the permissions are there, or whether these structures are illegal, whether these structures are permitted under the CRZ notification. All these issues will be gone into by the High Court. The matter is fixed on somewhere on 20th of December. So on that day, all authorities will have to file compliance reports.